human persons. May you continue to pour out your blessings to our birthday celebrants, month of March. Whatever intentions they have right now, continue to bless them. Continue to strengthen them, physically, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. And continue to guide them according to the vision that you entrusted to them. And may you continue to use them as an instrument of blessings, not only to themselves, but for the sake of other people, so that they can see the presence of you from their neighbors. Amen.